So hello dear students, today we are going to discuss first the important MCQs on inductive method of teaching science and mathematics in this session. So yesterday we discussed about the inductive method meaning and how it is will be applied at the time of teaching mathematics and science. So next first one, student observe the different first question. A teacher gives many examples. Read the question carefully first. A teacher gives many examples of even numbers then the teacher, see here, wait a minute, the teacher gives first many examples of even numbers 2 4 6 8, and the students conclude even numbers are divisible by 2. This represents which method of teaching? So first, teacher gives the what many examples. Here the teacher is moving with the what example to concept. So even numbers are what divisible by 2. So this method is what inductive method. So correct option is what option B, inductive method. Here teacher is proceeding with the help of what examples. So with the help of example to concept, that is what inductive method. Second question, student observe different plants and conclude that all the plants need sunlight to grow. So बच्चे क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर बच्चे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं अलग अलग प्लांट्स यानी कि अलग अलग पौधों को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं और कंक्लूड करते हैं, लास्ट में कंक्लूजन को आते हैं ऑल प्लांट्स यानी कि हर पौधे को, हर पेड़ को क्या है, नीड सनलाइट, सूरज की रोशनी चाहिए, किसके लिए, ग्रोथ होने के लिए. दिस मेथड, यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑब्जर्विंग डिफरेंट प्लांट्स and concluding, first observing then conclusion. Observing and conclusion means what? This is inductive method. This is inductive method. Inductive method. Next, moving to the third question. Teacher shows triangles of different size. Teacher at the time of teaching the triangle topic, टीचर विल शो दी व्हाट डिफरेंट साइज, यानी कि जब ट्रायंगल टीच कर रहे हैं टीचर तो डिफरेंट साइज के अलग अलग ट्रायंगल्स को पहले दिखाते हैं. एंड स्टूडेंट डिस्कवर करते हैं यहाँ पर द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ विच मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग मींस व्हाट, इंडक्टिव मेथड. स्टूडेंट ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग ट्रायंगल को ऑब्जर्व करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक ट्रायंगल है ABC, एक ट्रायंगल है PQR. अलग अलग ट्रायंगल को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, पूरे एंगल का सम मालूम करते हैं. तो एंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पर डिफरेंट साइज एंड डिफरेंट शेप को, डिफरेंट साइज एंड स्टूडेंट डिस्कवर, अलग अलग साइज के क्या है ट्रायंगल्स को दिखाकर तो उनको सम मालूम करने के लिए बच्चे डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं सम. सॉरी, students are discovering the sum in all the different cases of triangle. They will get the what sum of the triangle 180 degree. This method is what inductive method. Next question, in a science class student test the different liquids. Student is testing the what different liquids, as the different liquids, and discover that the oil does not mix with water. So students are doing the science experiment or practical, we can say here. In the science class, student does the different liquids, take the what different liquids and discover that oil does not mix with the water. They generalize it. This method is what, inductive method. Again it is what, inductive method. Option B is the right answer. Next question number 5, students see the multiple fractions, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Conclude that the fraction represent the equal parts, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. So it represents what, equal parts here, equal parts. So this represent the equal part of a whole. Equal part of a whole. Then which method they are adopting here? That is inductive method again. Inductive method. Again, it is what? Inductive method. Option B, C is the right answer. Yes. Next question. Question number 6. Teacher gives the example 5 into 2 is what? 10. 5 into 3 is what? 15. 5 into 4 is what? 20. Teacher gives the what here? 5 into 2 is what? 10. 5 into 3 15. 5 into 4 20. Student discover the multiplication rule method is used here. Inductive method. Inductive method. Next question. Moving to the what? Next question. Student observe that ice, cold drinks and air all occupy the space and conclude the matter occupies the space. Students are observing ice occupies the space, cold drinks also occupies the space, air is also occupies the space, all occupies the what here? Space, and student conclude that the matter occupies the space. This conclusion was drawn using what? Induction. Using what? Induction method. Question number 7. Student examine different animals. Examine different animals and find that all breathe oxygen. They conclude that breathing is a common in life process. This method is known as what? Again, inductive method. Again, it is what? Inductive method. Student examine many examples of shapes and identify the properties of square. This is an inductive method. This is an what? Inductive method. Many examples they are observing and they are identifying the properties of a square means what? It is inductive method. They are moving with the what? Examples. Teacher shows stone sinks in water and wood is floating. Student conclude that density decides sinking and floating. जब बच्चे पानी के अंदर पत्थर को रखते हैं तो पत्थर डूब जाता है, इसी तरह से वुडन इज फ्लोटिंग, लकड़ी के जब टुकड़े हम डालते हैं इसके अंदर पानी के अंदर तो फ्लोटिंग यानी कि इसके ऊपर पानी के ऊपर ही तैरते रहते हैं, फ्लोटिंग. स्टूडेंट इससे कंक्लूड करते हैं डेंसिटी डिसाइड्स डेंसिटी सिंकिंग ऑफ एंड फ्लोटिंग, यानी कि डेंसिटी डिसाइड करती है सिंक होना या फ्लोट होना. ये कौन सा मेथड यूज हो रहा है बोलते हैं यहाँ पर? इंडक्टिव मेथड. अगेन हियर इट इज व्हाट? इंडक्टिव मेथड. From daily measurements, student observe the boiling point of water is always 100 degrees Celsius and conclude the general rule. This reflects from daily measurement कर रहे हैं and observe the boiling point of the water. Water कब boil हो रहा है? At 100 degrees Celsius and conclude the general rule. This method is known as what? Induction method again. Pupils add the several pairs of odd numbers and find the results are even. They are adding the 1 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 3 again. They are adding the odd number. In all the cases we are getting the what? Even number, that is 12 and that is 10. In all the cases we are getting the even number. This means example of what? Inductive method. Again it is a inductive method. Student observe the picture of day and night. Student observe, see the word here, observe the pictures of day and night and conclude the earth rotates on its axis. This teaching method is, which method here? The teaching method is here. Again inductive method. They are observing means what? Inductive method. Inductive method. Next question, question number 14. Moving with your question number 14. Teacher shows the examples of force. Teacher is teaching the what? The topic force here, and they are showing the what? Force example. Teacher force का concept पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर example of force के pictures show कर रहे हैं. Pushing of door, pulling of drawer, and the students conclude force can change the motion. Which method he is using here? The teacher means what? Inductive method. He is proceeding with the what? Examples to the concept. Student add many multiples of 10 to discover the rule. Adding 0 doesn't change the value except the shifting place. This reflects the what? Again induction here. This method reflects the what here? Induction we can say. Yes. 0 add करे तो number change नहीं होता. 10. Student add many multiples of 10 and discovers the rule adding 0 doesn't change any value. 0 को add करे तो कुछ भी change नहीं होगा except shifting place. Student look at weather को देखते हैं, look at the weather charts for a week and conclude. वेदर चार्ट को हम देखते हैं, स्टूडेंट बच्चे देखते हैं. स्टूडेंट लुक्स एट weather chart for a week and conclude that temperature changes daily. This method is known as what? Inductive method. Inductive method. Seeing several examples of magnet attracting the what? Iron. Seeing several examples, more than 1 or 2, 3, magnet attracting the what? Iron. Student conclude only iron is attracted strongly by magnet. After seeing the example, they will conclude the what? Only iron is attracted strongly by magnet. This method is known as what? Inductive approach. Option B, inductive approach. Next, question number 18. Student measure the radius and circumference of several circles. Student measure radius of circle and circumference of several means more than one circles, and find C is equal to 2 pi r is what? Circumference of circle formula. They will find the what? Circumference of circle formula. This is an example of what? Induction method. Induction method or inductive method, we can say, proving a universal truth, that is C is equal to 2 pi is what? Circumference of circle. Teacher uses many real objects to show that liquid take the shape of the container. यानी कि पानी को हम बाटली में डालो तो बॉटल का शेप होगा, ग्लास में डालो तो ग्लास का शेप होगा, यहाँ अगर बड़े कौन से भी कंटेनर में डालो तो कंटेनर के शेप में हो जाएगा. सो दिस मेथड जनरलाइज द स्टूडेंट व्हाट? इंडक्टिव मेथड. अगेन हियर inductive method. Students see many solved examples of perimeter and the frame the rule themselves. They will solve the examples on what? Perimeter, then frame the what? Rule themselves. यानी अपने आप ही रूल को फ्रेम करते हैं. This method is which method is the student is using here means what? Inductive method. So these are the 20 examples, and so most probably this will be start by the what? After this method begins the teaching by discussing the what? Several example, that is example to formula, example to concept, example to rule, example to rule, example to formula, example to formula in the inductive method, and many more terms are there. What are those? Can you tell me anyone? कोई भी बोल सकते हैं. कल जो जनरल टू पर्टिकुलर, पर्टिकुलर टू जनरल था, स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल. कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल प्रोसीड होते इसमें. कैन वी प्रोसीड इन दिस मेथड स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल? यू कैन टॉक नाउ. प्रोसीड हो सकते हैं जनरल टू स्पेसिफिक और स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल. यस, टेल मी. हाँ, how it is? Maybe yesterday I discussed these things. Simple to concrete to abstract, concrete to abstract, simple to complex, simple to complex, easy to difficult. We are moving in this method. In this method we are moving with the what? Simple to complex things. In this method we are moving with the what? Simple to complex. Here simple to complex, simple to complex, concrete to abstract, next फिर particular to general. yes, particular to general है नहीं इसमें. yesterday we discussed these things. particular to general, example to formula, rule, we can say. So this is all about the what? Inductive method. If you have any doubt, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.